welcome to Code Utility. In this video, we are going to see what's the most common practice that people follow and how we can simplify that. Let me explain by giving you an example. For example, let's take a look at this login screen. It's a very simple screen with two text fields, a button and a text. So first, let's start with what's the most common practice that people follow, and let's see how we can simplify that. So let's start with the column, and I'll add two text fields inside that column. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to create any states, as that's not the point of this video. So let's pass empty string as a value and an empty lambda for the on value change. And let's duplicate that, and let's create an button. I'll remove that to do and enter a text inside that button that says click me, in this case login, and let's also add that you don't have an account register. So this is a common login screen that we all follow. So let's add a modifier to center that to the screen. So I'll first position it. I'll first fill the column to the max size of our screen, and I'll position it vertically using vertical arrangement and arrangement.center, which positions that center in the vertical axis. Now let's use the horizontal alignment and align that horizontally. And as we can see from this design, so that is a space in between these two text fields and the button and the text. So what most people does is they do go here and add a modifier and add a height to it. Let's say 16 dp. Let's import the dp, copy that, paste it here, copy that, paste it here. Maybe change this to 20 dp. Yeah, so this is the most common practice that people follow. So if it is going to be let's say evenly arranged 16 dp for all these spaces, so how we can simplify that is we can remove all these spaces and we can go to this modifier in the column, and instead of calling arrangement.center directly, we have a method called space by, and the space by takes in two parameters. One is space and the other one is alignment. So we can define the space here and specify that 16 dp, and we can pass in alignment, and alignment dot, we have an option to center it vertically, so we don't have to use arrangement.center anymore. So we can either center it vertically or center it horizontally. In our case, it's going to be center vertically. So we have achieved the same results as before, but with lesser code now. We have removed all those spaces, and yeah, this is how you can make it simple. If you like this video, follow the Code Utility channel, share it with your friends, and see you on the next video. Thank you.